Okay, so I've got up in time. So it's morning. Hello, everybody. And so I've got up for the subscription of BNB for this Space ID token. So what we're going to do, if you go to Earn and then Launchpad. So if you've got any BNB, it's worthwhile doing this. If you've got some BNB lying around in your spot wallet, you may as well do this because it's probably going to be it's going to be worth it, I think, for you. You've got until the next hour. So I'm going to upload this video. And you've probably got about 45 minutes to kind of do this from here. So go to Space ID. Okay, I don't know why that image is. Oh, it's come in now. So this is a subscription period for Space ID. So we've done BNB holding calculation period. So all your BNB that you've got on Binance, they'll have calculated how much you can commit. So I can commit 1.94 BNB. All right. So once you've committed that, it'll basically be oversubscribed. I mean, you can see here, 7 million BNB has been committed already. 91,000 participants. All right. And it'll probably get to 100,000, over 100,000 by the time I've done all this. But what you want to do is commit your BNB, and that is going to buy a certain amount of Space ID token. And you'll probably get a fraction, a really small bit, unless you've got a lot of BNB, okay? And you'll only be able to buy a certain amount anyway, but it's likely to go up by about 8 times. So let's say Space ID was worth $1. I know it isn't because it's 0.025 or something like that, but let's say it was worth $1. It's likely to go up to $8 within a short space of time, okay? So you know, if you've got some BNB in your spot wallet, you may as well commit to it. You'll get your whatever isn't spent on Space ID, you'll get back. So I'm going to commit that. Okay, max commit now. BNB amount to commit 1.94 BNB. Once successfully committed, your BNB will be temporarily locked and will not be able to be redeemed until the final token distribution period, at which point the remaining BNB will automatically be sent back to your spot wallet. Okay, so anything that's left over gets sent back to you anyway. The BNB is used to buy the Space ID. Okay, and then you can sell it anytime or just hold on to it if you want. So commit now, and there you go, it's locked, and I've committed that. So that'll go on for the next hour. It's 8 o'clock in the morning now where I am. Goes on till 9 o'clock, okay, in the morning where I am. So I've got another hour. It'll work out the calculation period. So in other words, everyone who's committed the BNB, it'll work out how much everyone is entitled to, how much Space ID everyone is entitled to, and then you'll have a final token distribution. And then likely what's going to happen is that Space ID will then get launched at about, I'm not sure, does it actually say on here? It might be like 12 o'clock. So in another 4 hours from now, or 5 hours or 6 hours, roughly that anyway. So that's worthwhile watching to watch a token launch. Okay, so public sale. 0.025 USD per token. Okay, so that's it. We just have to wait now, really. So I will get some Space ID and I can do what I like with it. Now, sometimes you get less than 10 US dollars and you won't be able to do anything with it because you can only trade a minimum of 10 US dollars. So you might be able to convert, actually. You might be able to convert it, okay? I don't know if you can use the BNB convert, but if it's less than 10, you might be able to convert it. I'm not sure, though, okay? Not sure you can do it straight away. But if you do have less than 10, you will be able to use the BNB convert tool later on at some point. Okay, so that's the subscription anyway. Going to end this here.